All right, folks, welcome to week 35. This is actually going to be a 2-week assignment. Um, because we have been doing these assignments that are multiple weeks, I still need grades, period. So you're going to see that for this week, I do have like a question assignment. You're going to do some research before jumping right into designing this specific project, and those are the questions that you're going to be answering. It's just like research-based questions. So I'll go over that, but I first want to go to the challenge itself. Here are 4 links. One's a PDF, or 2 are PDFs. So like this one's just like understanding toys PDF. Again, don't know if it'll open for you right away. This one goes over. Can I zoom in? Probably not the right way. Like the different age groups and what toys to choose and what to avoid for those different age groups. So I thought that that was unique and something that you can definitely use. Store toys safely. And then you've got 2 links. These are websites that'll take you to different like toy projects or toy design challenges that like companies have put on or design companies have put on. And you can check out some of their entries just to help you like get your mind moving. And then this link is a toy inventor designer guide. Um, oh, the zoom button's there. So this is just like walking you through like coming up with a good idea. We're not really doing marketing, so selling your idea / invention to a toy manufacturer, promoting just kind of goes over some good stuff. So check that out if you're struggling. Now, specifically with the assignment or the challenge, I do give you the document that you can check out. We're turning in this assignment like we have been with the portfolio. Laying out all of your pictures of your parts of your drawing, your assembly, uh, requirements, research, different types of toys for the different age groups. So I'm giving you 2 different age groups. I'm giving you child friendly, like 3 to 6. Now that's not necessarily the age groups they gave you in this document. What do we have? We have 4 to 5, 1 to 2. 3 to 4. I'm gonna just lump 3 to 4, 4 to 5. I mean, I could change it to 8 if you want, but I think that that's a bit drastic. So why don't I just change it back to 5? And then I'm giving you high schoolers because you guys don't necessarily like the same things that kids like. You guys are gonna probably be more interested in things that actually like invoke your personal interest or that are challenge your thinking. So I'm not saying that they're all gonna be like chess or checkers, but like I've seen a lot of students play with like the puzzle blocks that a lot of kids walk around with Rubik's cubes nowadays, like that challenges your thinking. Some kids just like fidget toys, honestly, me too. So that's definitely different than what you would give a child. You're not going to give a child something that has small pieces, sharp edges. It's going to be more child friendly. So keep those in mind. I'm letting you choose which age range you want to develop for. As you guys have questions specific to the different ages, I'll probably add more bullet points. I couldn't think of any off the top of my head, but as you have questions, I'll add more. Portfolio setups at the bottom. Again, I would focus on getting the questions done first. So a little bit of research, go into the questions, answer the questions, turn them in. They're not too terrible. They're just like document your research here. What type of toy you're creating here? How could a child / young adult play with this or use this toy? What can a child learn from playing with this toy? Are there any safety concerns? Are there safety concerns with a young child using this toy? What would they be? Add pictures of the toys that you're trying to create. So as you're doing research, if you find toys that you are specifically interested in, why not include photos of that research into your documentation? That way you don't forget what you're looking at. So you should be able to get that done first. This is due, the 3.18, the questions is due this Sunday. The assignment itself is due next Sunday. Okay. So that is what I have for you this week. Obviously, if you have questions, please ask me, when they come about. Otherwise, you guys can get to work and I will see you all later.